You're not bloated because you're weak. You're bloated because your gut bacteria are out of balance. What if your bloating, fatigue, brain fog, skin breakouts, and even anxiety are all coming from one place, your gut? And here's the truth most people don't realize. You can begin repairing your gut lining in just 21 days, naturally. No extreme diets, no expensive supplements, just simple daily habits backed by science. Today, I'll walk you through 5 powerful habits that can reset your gut in 3 weeks. But habit 4 is the one most people ignore. Let's get into it. Habit 1. Fiber. Most people in the US and UK consume less than 15 grams of fiber daily. Your gut bacteria depend on fiber for survival. Without it, harmful bacteria overgrow. Aim for 25 to 35 grams per day. Best sources include oats, chia seeds, lentils, apples, leafy greens, and sweet potatoes. Fiber produces short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which repair the gut lining and reduce inflammation. Increase gradually to avoid gas. Habit 2. Fermented foods. Your microbiome needs reinforcement. Add 1 serving daily of Greek yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, or low-sugar kombucha. Research from Harvard Medical School supports the role of probiotics in digestion and immune balance. Consistency matters more than quantity. Habit 3. Hydration. Even mild dehydration slows digestion. Aim for 2 to 3 liters of water daily, depending on body weight and activity level. Start your morning with warm lemon water. Hydration supports bowel movement, nutrient absorption, and gut lining repair. If you have made it this level, you are serious. Habit 4. Sleep. Poor sleep disrupts your microbiome. Research from University of Chicago shows sleep deprivation increases inflammation and alters gut bacteria. Target 7 to 9 hours nightly. Sleep is gut therapy. Habit 5. Stress reduction. Your gut and brain are directly connected. Chronic stress increases acid production and weakens the intestinal barrier. Practice daily breathing exercises, short walks, and limit screen exposure before bed. Calm mind, balance gut. Comment, which habit do you struggle with? If you're serious about healing your body naturally, subscribe to Nature Fuel Wellness. We focus on practical, evidence-based natural health strategies. Comment Gut Reset if you're starting today.